Alam ko lahat po kayo ay sobrang ready na for tonight's huddle. So if you're ready to dive into some life-changing information, type yes, type 1. Yes, again, type 1 in the chat. Yes, let's see those numbers coming in. I know. Alright, nako, grabe. Sobra naman to. And ngayon pa lamang po, thank you na, no? Thank you sa lahat ang ito ngayon. Thank you, guys. I'm seeing those ones and I can super feel the excitement already. So now, let's get started with our grabe, pasabog talaga na speaker tonight. I know he's ready, you're ready, he's ready, I'm ready, we are all ready. So guys, he's a graduate of international relations major in international trade. He worked in the corporate for different companies after graduating and stepped in the entrepreneurial world more than a decade ago, where he started becoming a health advocate. And he has then traveled all around the Philippines and in some Asian countries in aiming to create awareness on how people can take good care of their health. Through that, he was able to receive grabe, and he was able to receive distinctions and also travel local and international destinations, and of course awards, distinctions, both local and international stages. Grabe. Now, as a brand partner of Amari Global, who aims to help more people be mentally healthy, he already qualified for Boracay. Yes, 'di ba? Napakasaya ng ating Boracay experience, ano? And mas lalong sasaya because he is also a Hawaii travel qualifier. Grabe. Guys, in 2 months time lang yon. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Mr. Lee Omanya. Over to you, Lee.
All right, thank you so much, Miss Javet, for that wonderful introduction. And magandang gabi po sa ating lahat, our Team Elite family. Magandang gabi po. If you're outside the Philippines, if it's morning, good morning, or good afternoon, wherever you are in the world right now, I hope that everyone's doing okay right now. So excited po bang lahat? I hope you guys are excited because I'm very excited, di ba? Because we're having this basic training, di ba? Parang distributors orientation natin. And as they say, guys, no, champions don't become champions when they win an event. 'Di ba? They become champions through the hours, 'di ba? Yung weeks, months, and even years na inispend nila preparing for it. So, I'd like to congratulate everyone dahil ngayon pa lang, 'di ba? Part na ito ng preparation mo to be champion in life, right? So, tap your shoulders, guys, for being here this evening, di ba, in our training or orientation. And that means you are very serious to grow your business, your mindset, tama? And type ready nga sa chat box natin or on our comment section kung ready na po ang lahat. I'd like to see you ready on our chat box right now. And yan, if you are new in our community, di ba, dito sa Amare, we would like to welcome you. We'd like to welcome the newest members of this family. And if you're here for the very first time, we just want you to know that there's so much in store for you here. Di ba? We really appreciate your time, guys. And of course, hopefully we will be able to share something of value to you later on, di ba? And help you realize what an amazing opportunity we have here right now in Amare, right? So that's the Amare opportunity. So, of course, first, I'd like to ask everyone to take this seriously and also take this time to talk to yourself about what you will be hearing kasi nga po, this can create a big impact sa magiging direction, hindi lang po ng business natin, pero possibly ng buhay natin, di ba? I really believe that whatever it is that you want to achieve and you want to happen in your life, you need to begin with the end in mind. Sabi nga, tama? It's about identifying and being fully aware of what you truly want in life. So alam na po ba natin yung mga gusto natin sa buhay natin. So let's talk about your why first, di ba? Especially in this business, in this venture, kailangan alam po natin yan. Or yung tinatawag natin na deep why. Kailangan talaga malalim po yan. Tama? So ano ba talaga yung reasons bakit ka lumalaban everyday sa buhay? Di ba yung mga pinakasikat na tanong nga po dyan ay para kanino ka ba bumabangon? Is it just about for yourself or meron ka mga pinaglalaban? Tama? And lahat tayo may pinaglalaban tayo, most especially yung mga loved ones po natin. So, we all know na hindi na gano'n na kadali, 'di ba? Yung buhay right now, ang taas na ng mga bilihin, ang mahal na, no, yung mga bills natin nagtataasan na rin, and then ang dami-dami pa pong pressure through social media, and that all adds up dun sa mga stress ng mga tao right now. So there must be a reason why you continue doing what you are doing. Kahit may mga challenges sa buhay, kahit mahirap, tama, kahit lagi tayong may mga hurdles sa buhay, di ba? Why you keep on looking for opportunities that will change your life, di ba? So lagi tayong naghahanap ng opportunities eh. So at the end of the day, ikaw lang po ang nakakaalam yan. But as for me, I grew up having so much kumbaga little of everything, materially speaking, ha. But I can say binusog naman kami ng pagmamahal ng family kasi uso yan sa Pilipinas, no? Pag nagmamahalan parang okay na, di ba? But at times hindi naman sapat ang pagmamahalan. Alam niyo yan, di ba? Lalo na sa panahon po natin right now, hindi pwedeng ipambayad sa food or sa kuryente or bills yung mga pagmamahalan. Tama po ba? Pag nagutom ng mga anak, away yan for sure. So back then, knowing na kulang kami, I strived to be better, no? To better myself, actually. So that when an opportunity presents itself, I will be ready somehow. So I hope yun din yung ginagawa natin. And you know what, at a very young age, alam ko na po talaga, no, na gusto ko mabago yung buhay ko. Yung gusto ko mabago yung buhay ng pamilya ko. And I was really praying and looking for an opportunity that would bring, of course, me to where I want to be. Diba? So during the time, I was working po sa BPO industry. And that was the time I was first introduced to this kind of opportunity. And I was really very excited. I remember during the time working 17 hours a day, really, to provide for my family. So talagang halos walang pahinga. 'Di ba? Pagod na pagod po talaga. And you know what? Even though I was working for like 15 to 17 hours a day, walang off halos, kulang pa rin yung kinikita para sa pangangailangan ng family. So laging kulang po yun. So akala ko sa telenovela lang nangyayari yung mga ganyang sobrang hirap na situation, pero nangyayari pala siya in real life. And I know a lot of us, a lot of you here right now, pinagdaanan nyo na rin po, and maybe some of you are still experiencing that. Tama po ba? So yun yung masaklap na katotohanan po sa buhay natin. So ako, I made sure na yung challenges na yun will make me stronger. And sabi nga, di ba, everything happens for a reason. So going back, dahil nahihirapan nga po ako, di ba, and I feel that time yung health ko rin po is at stake na. It was deteriorating. And I know, if magtatagal pa ako ng ilang taon sa ganung state na graveyard shift, talagang hindi nakakayanin ng katawan ko. And pag walang enough sleep, alam mo yun, talagang yung health mo magsasuffer. And naisip ko, paano pag nawala ako? Eh di lalong kawawa yung mga umaasa sa akin. Lalong kawawa yung mga ay pinaglalaban ko sa buhay. Lalong kawawa yung mga reason bakit ako bumabangon every day. No, so kailangan talaga maging aware lang po tayo na 'di ba, we really have to be not just be healthier but look for an opportunity that will change our lives for the better. Tama po ba? So little by little, 'di ba? Because of this industry, may pagbabago syempre, 'di ba? Kasi kailangan mo desisyonan din 'yan. So a lot has changed, lalo na po sa mindset. That's very important. So again, congratulations for being here tonight. And bakit ko po naikukwento sa inyo 'yan? Wala lang. No, kidding aside, 'di ba? I believe lahat po tayo may mga pangarap sa buhay. Tama ba? Type yes kung may dreams po tayo sa buhay. So kahit anong edad pa yung meron po tayo, whatever situations we are in right now, meron po tayong mga pangarap sa buhay. Lalo na tayong mga Pinoy. Tama po ba? Most of the time yung family po talaga yung mga pinaglalaban natin. So it's very important as well na napag-uusapan natin yan. Kasi ngayon po marami nang nahihiya to talk about their goals, to talk about their dreams, 'di ba? So nakokornihan na, di ba, pag yan ang pag-uusapan. But these questions will lead you to your whys. 'Di ba? To your reasons bakit ka lumalaban sa buhay. And probably like all of us, 'di ba? Here in Amare, 'di ba? You have realized that all those answers, 'di ba, to these questions, yan yung mga questions na nakikita mo sa screen right now, 'di ba? Posibleng makuha talaga sa opportunity na 'to, 'di ba? So ano ba yung mga reason natin? Why do you want to do this business? 'Di ba? Why are you in Amare? Why did you decide to venture, 'di ba? Why will you continue doing this business? Para saan ba talaga lahat ito, 'di ba? What do you want to achieve here? 'di ba? And for yan, yung mga for whom are you working this business for? Will this opportunity change your life? Tama, will this opportunity give you the lifestyle you want for your family? And knowing that you're here, nasagot yan, 'di ba? But pero later on mas lalalim at lalalim pa po yung mga rason natin, 'di ba? But the biggest question is, what are your dreams? 'Di ba, when we were kids, naalala mo yung mga bata pa tayo, we used to be asked ano yung pangarap natin. We used to talk about our dreams, 'di ba? But as we grow up nga, yun nga, hindi na halos sa pag-uusapan yun kasi nga mas busy na tayo sa pagpo-provide. Kaya yung sarili nating pangarap na isasantabi na lang po natin. Tama ba? Pero ang good news right now, may ano pa pala, may way pa pala para makuha natin yung mga pangarap na yun. May way pa pala para maibalik natin yung mga pangarap na yun, 'di ba? So, napaka-importante po 'di ba na kung lumalabo na yung mga pangarap natin, this is the time na maging malinaw ulit 'yan, 'di ba? Lahat ng mga pangarap natin. So, I want you to really take this time, 'di ba, to ask yourselves, ano ba talaga yung mga dreams mo? And you need to be specific sa mga gusto mo, tama ba? Kailangan talaga specific tayo sa mga gusto natin na makuha sa buhay natin. Like for example, if that's a car, yung pangarap mo, ano bang color? Anong type ng car yung gusto mo? Ano ba itsura ng bahay? Ilang palapag ba ang gusto mo, 'di ba? Ilang rooms lang gusto mo sa loob ng bahay mo? May pool ba, may swimming pool ba 'yan? May garden ba 'yan? 'Di ba? Magkano amount of money na gusto mo sa savings sa bank account mo? Tama po ba? And ano ba yung mga bansa na gusto mong ma-travel together with your loved ones, together with your families, 'di ba? It has to be a clear picture, guys, because that will give you the drive, the fuel, 'di ba, the strength, the motivation, 'di ba? So later after this orientation that we have, 'di ba, or yung talk natin right now, you have to give yourself at least 30 minutes, 'di ba, to have your quiet time and talk to yourself about the specifics, yung mga gusto mo talaga sa buhay. Dung ano pa talaga yung tatawag natin na dream board, kailangan mailagay natin diyan. So 'di ba, thinking about your dreams nakaka-excite po talaga, 'di ba? So I understand na tayo may mga different phase po tayo in our lives, and we might individually have different priorities. So ikaw lang din po yung nakakaalam niyan kasi we all have our own unique battles in life. Kanya-kanya. Hindi porke ito yung battle ko, yun din yung battle mo. Magkakaiba po talaga tayo. So whatever priorities you have right now, congratulations kasi any of these priorities that you have in your mind right now that you identified as closely related to your own, no, all those can be achieved through this amazing opportunity. 'Di ba? Importante din po natin na ma-set mo yung priorities mo ngayon kasi magiging malinaw yung direction, tama? If you know your priorities, magiging malinaw yung direction natin. Now, promise yourself that 10 years from now, 'di ba, you make sure that you are living the life that you want and you chose, 'di ba? Not the life that you just settled for, 'di ba? Kasi if you fail, guys, if you fail to live the life you want for you and your loved ones, you failed yourself. Tama? Kasi you have the power and the opportunity to create that. Pero ang tinatanong mo sa sarili mo later is, ipinaglaban ko ba talaga? 'Di ba? Talaga bang ginawa ko yung lahat? 'Di ba? Baka kasi love life lang ang pinaglalaban natin, pero yung mga pangarap natin hindi na natin ipaglalaban, 'di ba? But guys, your dreams are worth fighting for. Tama po ba? So again, identify your priorities kasi napaka-importante po niyan sa panahon natin right now. Okay? So, eto, the question is, have you tried computing your dreams? Kasi baka nangangarap lang tayo pero hindi naman natin alam talaga magkano nga ba talaga yung pangarap ko. Kaya siguro hindi mo wino-work out. 'Di ba minsan parang siguro malaki pero hindi natin alam. Pero alam mo ba, napaka-importante na alam natin kung magkano. What I'm showing you right now on the screen is just basic dreams, no? 5 million na house and lot ngayon, napaka-basic na po yan. Kung nung panahon na yun, 25 years ago, mansion na yan, tama? Pero iba na yung mundo natin right now. So ngayon ito parang napaka-basic. 'Di ba? Education, ang liit na ng 1 million. Tama po ba? Kaya ubusin in 1 year. Kung sa mga exclusive schools mo pinag-aaral yung mga anak mo, 'di ba? Emergency, 1 million. Grabe emergency ngayon, tama po ba? Business, if you want to put up a business, 1 million, maliit na po 'yan, 'di ba? Savings, 2 million, tama? And then car, 1 million, sobrang basic na rin po 'yan. Travels, 1 million, ilang bansa lang ang mapupuntahan 'yan, 'di ba? Lalo na kung marami kayo sa family. And of course, if you want to add insurance, 'di ba? 500,000, napakaliit po niyan. So, that's 12.5 million pesos, 'di ba? So, ibig sabihin, kailangan alam natin ano ba yung mga specifics ng pangarap natin para alam mo na talagang kailangan mo maghanap ng opportunity para makuha mo yung mga pangarap na yan, 'di ba? So, parang ganito po yan para mas ma-visualize natin, 'di ba? Sabi nga, what's the fastest way to get to your dreams? For example, nasa dulo ka ng Pilipinas, sa far north of the Philippines, and then yung dreams mo nasa Mindanao, how long will it take you to get to that destination? Yun yung tanong. So there are ways, 'di ba? Meron namang mga ways eh. A, bibigyan kita ng option sa A. Pwede naman na lakarin mo or takbuhin mo. But the question is, how many days will it take you? para makarating ka doon sa destination na yun. Makakarating pa rin naman. Pero tingin mo, ilang araw, ilang linggo, tama ba? Kasi magpapahinga ka pa niyan, hindi naman pwedeng dire-diretsong lakad ka, tama po ba? Makakarating pero medyo matagal. But what if I give you another option? Pwede naman palang magbisikleta ka. Do you think mas mabilis kang makakarating doon compared sa naglakad ka or tumakbo ka? Mas less yung pagod, tama? And it will be faster for you to get there. Tama po ba? Eh meron palang mas mabilis na option. What if magsasakyan ka? So probably it will take you 4 days, di ba? Magrororo ka pa kasi niyan, di ba? But somehow, mas mabilis siya. But what if may vehicle naman pala na magdadala sa doon ng mas mabilis, like riding an airplane, di ba? So it will take you 1 hour or max 1.5 hours, di ba, para makarating dun sa destination na yun. So, ibig sabihin pala, napaka-importante ng vehicle na gagamitin natin to get to where we want to be. Tama ba? Kasi minsan, isa lang yung alam natin na vehicle eh. Pero hindi natin namamalayan, ang tagal pala, 'di ba? Naglalakad lang pala tayo, hindi na tayo nakarating doon sa gusto nating puntahan. Sayang yung mga dreams na binigay sa atin ni Lord, 'di ba? Kasi hindi mo lang din nakuha kasi nga mali yung vehicle. Tama yung pangarap, tama yung desire, mali lang pala yung vehicle. Hindi pala tama yung vehicle. So right now, anong maganda? Pag-usapan natin, ano ba yung mga vehicles na meron tayo and what may be the fastest vehicle to get to where you want to be? So exciting bang pag-usapan yon, di ba? So for me, that's very, very exciting, especially when I first got introduced to this opportunity. Kasi nga, wala naman kaibang alam eh. Ang sabi lang, mag-aaral ka mabuti, land a good job, magsipag ka, magtiyaga, yun na yun. Di ba? Pero I tried that for how many years? I tried that for 10 years. Wala naman nangyari. Hindi ko pa rin ako yung mga gusto ko. Parang sabi ko, parang humihina na ako, pero hindi ko pa rin nakukuha yung mga gusto ko. Tama ba? So very, very important to yung vehicle natin. So get to your dreams. A, you must find a way to earn big income. Tama, kasi dreams, malaki po yan eh. Imagine mo guys, yung bills nga po natin, pahirapan. Di ba? Pahirapan. How about if you're going to talk about your dreams, mas malaki yung kailangan natin. So we must find a way to earn big income. That will save you a lot of time. Because just an example, if you're able to save 10,000 pesos per month, meron ba dito nakakapag-save 10,000 per month? Malaki na yan sa panahon ngayon na if you're able to save that amount. But we only have 12 months in a year. So imagine mo, in a year, you will just be able to save 120,000 a month. Tama, in 10 years time, that's 1.2 million. 10 years ka nag-iipon ng 10,000 per month. That's just 1.2 million. So, yung 12 million na kinumpute natin kanina na pangarap mo, basic dreams, it will take you 100 years. Add that to your current age. Kaya pa ba? Buhay pa ba? Di ba? So we have to be aware of these things. But what if you're able to save 100,000 a month? Di ba? In 12 months time, that's 1.2 million. In 10 years time, 12 million. So ibig sabihin, pwede. But somehow, medyo mas mataas na rin yung presyo ng mga pangarap natin sa panahon ngayon, kung 12 years from now. Tama po ba? But the point is, it will save you a lot of time if you're able to find a way to earn big income. 'Di ba? So right vehicle is a must to get to your dreams. Type 1 nga, if you believe that, you need to find the right vehicle to get to your dreams, to get to your dream destination. 'Di ba? Kasi ako, pinaniniwalaan ko po yun eh. Tama? Ayan. Okay, so to get to your dreams, you must develop not just a big income but a passive income. Bakit kailangan po natin ng passive income? Because you cannot work forever. Meron ba dito gusto mag-work until 70 years old? Kasi yung trabaho, 8 to 5? Or graveyard shift ka pa? Sadly, there's a lot of people when I was in the BPO industry, mga lolo-lola na, mga senior na nag-work pa rin talaga. Tinitiis na mag-graveyard kasi inaasahan ng mga apo, inaasahan ng mga anak. Sadly, that's the reality of life right now. And not just in the Philippines, but globally, if you look around, even in the US, 70, 80, nagtatrabaho pa sila. So, I don't know with you, but I don't want to experience that. Na gusto ko mag-enjoy na lang. Di ba as early as now, maganda mag-enjoy na tayo. Tama po ba? So that's very important to develop a passive income because again, your energy is limited. You cannot work forever kahit gustuhin mo pa. Tama po ba? And I don't think gusto mo pa rin mag-work until 70 or 80 years old, di ba? Mas maganda yung nag-enjoy ka na lang. May community ka, nag-enjoy ka, nagta-travel ka, you're getting healthier. Tama ba? Yun ang gusto po natin. So, there are only two paths, no? It's either you want to become rich or you want to be poor. Meron ba dito nagplano na maging mahirap? Di ba lahat naman tayo pinangarap natin when we were younger or until now nga, maging mayaman, di ba? Yun yung gusto natin. Kaya nga tayo nagsisikap sa buhay eh, di ba? Because we want to be rich. Money is not everything, pero very important ang money. How can you live without money? You have to pay for your food, for your bills, for the comfort, no? Para sa pamilya mo. Tama po ba? Iba pa rin, 'di ba talaga? If we have enough, no, or so much so that we can help other people too, 'di ba? So, kailangan ngayon yan, gustuhin mo talaga siya. 'Di ba? So kailangan damahin mo na na para sa iyo 'to, para sa iyo ang pagyaman. Tama po ba? Hindi masama na mangarap na maging mayaman. Tama po ba? Kasi with our community naman, inaano natin sa path na okay, if you have so much, help other people. Hindi naman basta gusto mo lang yumaman and wawalsin mo yung pera sa mga kung ano ng bagay. Tama po ba? So yun yung maganda sa community natin. Nag-guide din natin yung mga members natin, di ba? Okay, so I'd like to show you this very powerful illustration. So para mas makita nyo po yan, kasi top view yan, bird's eye view yan, eto po, di ba? So there are two, 'di ba? Lifestyle na makikita mo diyan. So this is happening worldwide. So merong mga mahihirap, marami. Pero on the other side, may mayayaman, marami rin. So it's really up to us. Ano ba yung gusto natin sa buhay? Tama po ba? So ibig sabihin, pwede pala. Kasi lahat naman tayo tao, pare-parehas tayo. Dalawang mata natin lahat, lima lang ang kamay natin, ang daliri natin per kamay. Dalawa lang ang kamay natin, pare-parehas tayo, isa ilong. Tama po ba? So ibig sabihin, we just have to find the right vehicle. And that's the very point of what we are talking tonight, no? Finding the right vehicle, and that's with the Amare opportunity. So ipapakita po natin yan. We have to choose the right income path. It's either linear, wherein yung traditional job or work po natin that trades time for money. You are being paid for the number of hours na ipinut up mo dun sa work mo. But what if hindi mo na nga kaya mag-work? Eh di wala na, di ba? But leverage po, build your own organization of independent business builders and be compensated for what you will sell or share, 'di ba? And your team's effort. So yun yung maganda. 'Di ba? Yung work ng lahat. So it's a team effort. So which way do you want to go? Yun lang naman ang question. Kasi again, mahirap pag mag-isa ka lang. 'Di ba? Sabi nga, no man is an island. So maganda dito, it's a community, it's team effort. So definitely you can leverage, no, when it comes to choosing your right income path. So what's your bracket? We have to really be aware. Ano ba yung bracket natin? Ito daw po yung Filipino income groups and how much they're earning. Guys, this was back in 2021. Ito na po yung pinakagrabeng latest na nakuha ko talaga. So imagine mo, no, yung, if you're earning less than 12,000 a month daw, nasa poor bracket po tayo. If your income is between 12,000 to 24,000, that's low income. Hindi ka poor, pero low income yun, bracket. If you're earning between 24 to 48,000, that's lower middle income. If you're earning 48 to 84,000, middle class income yan, 'di ba? Middle class. If you're earning 84 to 144,000, upper middle income. Hindi ka pa mayaman yan, guys. Upper middle income lang po yan sa taas ng bilihin ngayon. If you're earning 144 to 240,000, upper income but not rich. Hindi ka pa rin mayaman yan. 'Di ba? Maraming Pinoy kumita lang na magkano, feeling mayaman na. Pero yan, according to studies, hindi pa yan mayaman. Tama. Yung rich is if you're earning 240,000. And the question is, ilang tao ba dapat? So again, comfortable life, you have to earn at least 120,000. Um, exclusive na yung tax, no, hindi nakasama. If you're a family of four, dapat 120,000 if you want a comfortable life. But again, iba-iba naman po yung definition natin ng comfortable. Maybe for some people, komportable sa kanya yung makakain ng 3 beses ang araw. But for other people, komportable sa kanya na nakakain niya yung gusto niya sa 3 beses isang araw. And for other people, gusto niya, in between, meron pa siyang kinakain ng gusto rin niya. That may be comfortable for other people. So magkakaiba po tayo ng comfortable, no, definition ng comfortable. So I hope you identify what's comfortable for you and your loved ones. Ano ba yung gusto mong comfort for you and your loved ones? That's very, very important. Tama po ba? So ito, for ways to produce income, di ba, sabi nga ni Robert Kiyosaki, there are apat daw po na bracket yan, no? So on the left side that you are seeing, ito yung sinasabi niyang poor mindset. Poor mindset kasi bakit? They rely on their own capabilities lang. Sa kakayanan lang po niya. So sa reality is 5% ng wealth ng buong mundo, sila yung naghahati-hati. Imagine mo 5% lang, pero naghahati-hati sa 5% ng wealth ng buong mundo, 95% ng population natin. Napakadami na maghahati para sa 5%. No wonder bakit ang daming mahirap. Pero yung 95% ng wealth ng buong mundo, 5% lang ng population na naghahati-hati. So yun na po yung mga mayayaman. Tama po ba? So yun yung mga mayayaman na naghahati-hati. Imagine mo, because hindi sila poor mindset. Yan, yung sinasabi ni Robert Kiyosaki. Bakit? They don't just rely on their own capabilities. They leverage. They use other people's time, effort para kumita rin sila. They make money work for them. Diba? They don't work for money. They make money work for them. So ito yung mga business owners and mga investors. Diba? So yun yung mga yan. And kailangan alam natin yung mga bagay na yan, right? So to get to your dreams, there are so many ways, diba, na sinasabi natin. Pero iba nga mabagal. Like for example, hindi po natin pinapatamaan, wala po tayong gustong ma-offend dito, but this is the reality. This is just what has been passed on no, na rin sa atin. No? So, employment pwede naman, but the reality is no work, no pay. That's a reality. Ang dami kong kakilala at age of 30, mga nagkasakit na, hindi na kaya magtrabaho. Sayang, di ba? Sayang po talaga kasi nga sayang capabilities. So aside from taking good care of your health, di ba? We have to understand that no work, no pay. Kaya sabing poor mindset, you just rely on your capabilities. Self-employed, no work, no pay pa rin yan. Maybe mas mataas yung income nila, pero again, no work, no pay. Tama ba? Ganun pa rin siya talaga. Traditional business, yes. But the bigger the capital, the bigger the risk. The bigger it gets yung business, the bigger the time needed para doon sa business yan. And the bigger it gets, the bigger the stress. Alam niyan ng mga maraming business owners dito, right? And right now, magkano ba ang mga kailangan nating kapital for a business? Tama po ba? Majority of the Filipinos, walang ganyang amount para mag-start up ng business. Tama? And then, pag walang enough experience, malulugi lang din. Hindi tama yung pwesto, malulugi lang din sila. So, yung hard-earned money nila napunta sa wala. Tama, ang nakinabang yung nag-franchise sa kanila. Pero marami na nagsara, 'di ba? Kahit na akala mo ang tibay na nung pangalan, pero ang dami nagsara. Nung pandemic, ang dami nagsara. Tama po ba? Ilan lang yung talaga nag-survive. Kasi yun yung mahaba yung mga PC. Pero what if yun lang talaga yung pera mo? Wala. Lugi na talaga. What you have to understand is meron pa yung overhead expenses. Magkano ang kuryente niyan? Kung nangungupahan pa yan. Magkano binabayad sa tauhan yan? May SSS pa yung mga tauhan. Di ba? Ang daming kailangang isaalang-alang. So it's not that easy if you are going to put up your own traditional business. Tama po. So to get to your dreams, you can be an insurance agent. It's a good part-time business, but not long-term passive income unless you are an investor. Tama ba? Unless you are an investor, yes, you can earn big. Pero kung part-time, medyo mahihirapan din, 'di ba? So you continuously need to work, 'di ba? Unless nga you invest, okay? Or pag swinerte ka lang talaga, 'di ba? Na talaga nakakuha ka ng corporate account. No, parang ganyan. So real estate agent, good part-time business, no long-term passive income unless you are an investor as well. Or pag swinerte ka rin. Again, majority hindi pa rin naman talaga, 'di ba? So you continuously need to work unless you invest, right? But for MLM, 'di ba? Especially to those who are new in this industry, very low risk po tayo but very high return yung business po natin. Ang liit ng kapital na kailangan mo pero yung income na pwede mong kitain napakalaki po. Ang maganda again, you don't work alone. You are with a team. Yun po yung maganda. Ang swerte pa natin kasi ang ganda ng kumpanya natin, ang ganda ng team natin. So, ano bonus na po tayo doon. No big capital required but high return potential. Passive income, yes, it can be a passive income talaga. Napakalaki ng posibilidad. You can start part-time, no? You can start part-time, but if you have that full-time attitude, then yung income mo, it may be bigger than your full-time job. All right? You have a team support and system. That's very important. And you get that for free. Yun yung maganda dito. And you have a free coach, consultant, and advisors, no? It's a global opportunity, especially with our company, no? Hindi siya local. So, ang opportunity mo, global. You're not limited to Philippines alone. And, of course, your business is transferable. So, napakadami pong advantages natin. So, what is network marketing? Because we are in the industry of network marketing. A lot of people are negative about it kasi ang inisip nila, pyramid, inviting, recruit. Yun lang eh. Yun ang akala nila about network marketing. But the real meaning and essence of network marketing is it's a system of moving products from manufacturing company to consumers through competent business partners. So it is a business model that depends on person-to-person sales by independent representatives, often working face-to-face or from home. Walang sinabi dyan recruit, no? 'Di ba? Marketing pa rin, network marketing po ang ginagawa kaya nag-golf sila, nagpapalawak sila ng network. And ang mga yumayaman, yung malalawak ang network. They just use their network to grow their business. And that's the same thing that we're doing here. We're just sharing yung ating produkto. Ang maganda nun, high, 'di ba? Quality. 'Di ba? Hindi ka mapapahiya sa produkto na meron tayo. And ang ganda, it better the lives of the people na nasa-share natin. So we just have to really be aware, ano ba talaga yung ginagawa natin? Kasi kung ang alam mo lang sa network marketing is recruit, 'di ba? uh, sinasabi ng pyramid, then that's the wrong parang meaning ng network marketing. Tama po ba? So, ang maganda sa atin, we're doing it professionally. We're professional network marketers. Tama? So, yun yung maganda sa team natin and sa company natin. And there are so many famous and rich people who are saying good things about network marketing because they understand the real meaning and essence of network marketing. If you only know how to capitalize, di ba? Kung ano yung power ng network marketing, then sky's the limit, guys. Sky's the limit po talaga. But of course, we have to get to be part of the best of the best, di ba? The best company, the best product, the best system, the best team. And the good news is we have it all. in Team Elites International and in Amare. So actually you can search online ito pong mga sikat na mga mayayaman na mga businessman na ito, mga gurus no na nagsabi ng magagandang bagay and yung real power ng network marketing. Okay? So hindi wag kang sabi nga nila if you want to be successful here, you have to ask the people who are successful in the business as well. Do not ask, 'di ba, yung opinion ng mga tao na wala naman sa industry. Tama po ba? Or yung mga nag-fail because definitely meron silang mga hindi ginawa pero ang dami naging successful. So ask tips and questions doon sa mga tao naging successful. For example, gusto mo maging nurse, 'di ba? You wanted to become a high-paying nurse, 'di ba? Pero magtatanong ka sa bumagsak sa nursing, mali. Or magtatanong ka sa engineer, hindi naman nurse, mali. Tama po ba? So if you want to be successful in this business, just listen to these people, this highly effective no teaching sa mga people na to and yung thoughts and wisdom nila about the industry that we are in. And you will be surprised and mind blown kung ano yung real power ng industry natin being the biggest industry in the world, 'di ba? And ang maganda nito, walang pinipili. It's not requiring anything na kailangan 4-year course graduate ka or what. Wala. Anyone, literally, whatever your background is, whatever your, 'di ba, yung natapos mo or hindi man, pwede ka dito and we can all be successful. So equal footing po tayo dito. 'Di ba? Equal footing yung success para sa ating lahat. Tama, yun yung maganda po dito. Hindi ito nadadaan sa favoritism, hindi. Based on effort po ito and hard work. So if you know na may effort at may hard work ka, 'di ba? Patient ka, then dito mo ilagay yung galing mo, definitely you will be successful. Yun po yung maganda. So why is this very powerful as an industry? Wala tayong boss dito. Meron tayo dito mga coaches, mga kuya and ates natin na tumutulong sa atin, nag-a-assist at sumusuporta sa atin. Small amount of risk, guys, 'di ba? Just identify what's the worst case scenario. The worst case scenario, especially here in Amari, is you'll be healthier. Take it as a health investment. That's the worst case scenario. Tama? Anyway, you have to spend for your health, 'di ba? Later on man, mas maganda ngayon habang healthy ka pa, 'di ba? Or wala ka pang sakit, then it's really a small amount of risk, 'di ba? Unlimited yung income natin, that is true. But you have to work on it, 'di ba? Winning industry tayo. 'Di ba? Whatever the seasons may be, winning industry po tayo kasi patuloy na kinakailangan yung produkto natin. Okay? And the support group is amazing, especially in elites, no? So there are only two viewpoint. You either have a positive or negative viewpoint. So it depends on you. So yung sa left side makikita mo dyan, no? Yung sa right side muna, negative viewpoint. Akala mo, bakit niya kinain yung anak niya? Kinakat niya yung ulo ng anak niya. Yung pala, kung nandun sa positive viewpoint or tamang viewpoint, makikita mo na, okay, binubuhat lang pala niya yung anak niya. So everything really depends on the way you see things. Tama po ba? So if you view this industry as negative, then good luck. Negative talaga. At yung mangyayari. But if you view this industry as a positive vehicle, which truly it is, then congratulations. Kasi everything else will be positive for you, 'di ba? So ano pa maganda? Why Amare? Out of all the companies in the market, why Amare? Guys, alam niyo ba, we have such an amazing position right now in Amare. Unimaginable, guys, yung potential na meron tayo because we have breakthrough products, the only product of its kind in the world. It's highly consumable, it's highly saleable. We are the only mental wellness company in the world which offers this kind of product that caters not only to adults but younger generation which badly needs the product. 'Di ba? Ang lawak ng market natin, guys. Have you realized that? Hindi namimili ng edad, ng estado sa buhay, lahat kailangan kasi lahat na, 'di ba, nai-stress, nagkaka-anxiety, depression, younger or older generation. So, ganun kalawak yung market natin. Ang good news, breakthrough technology meron tayo. Tayo lang yung meron yan, 'di ba? We have the most generous compensation plan in Amare. And I'm sure na na-excite ka nung nakita mo ang compensation plan natin, 'di ba? We have so many ways to earn. 'Di ba? Unilevel yung system po natin, no levels in commission, bayad lahat. Yun ang maganda, walang limit, walang max out. How amazing is that, guys? So again, nakadepende na lang sa effort na ilalabas mo. But kung sino yung masipag, kung sino yung talagang tatrabaho ng todo at hindi titigil, guys, congratulations because you will really be rich, no, wealthy here in Amare. That's no joke. Sky's the limit po talaga dito. We have a stable company. That's very important. No, not only that we are financially stable, pero very stable talaga yung kumpanya natin. No? Multi-billion dollar debt-free company po tayo. Imagine to have a facility like what we have, state-of-the-art and very advanced. Hindi karamihan po sa kumpanya walang kakayanang mag-put up ng ganyang facility. And we're very blessed to have a company na merong sariling facility na in fact, a lot of companies out there sa atin nagpapamanufacture ng product. 'Di ba? How amazing is that? 'Di ba? We have a global opportunities. That's what I mentioned earlier. We have more than 20 countries right now na may presence ang company natin. So maximize on that. And we have competent and competent corporate leaders with their core values, mission, and vision. So guys, not only Amare, but to support yung ating financial stability, our owner, David Chong, who was tagged as a serial entrepreneur, has a lot of big and successful businesses apart from Amare na nakakasuporta ngayon sa kumpanya natin. And ang maganda, dahil in-house nga lahat, no, na-utilize natin yung iba pa niyang malalaking companies to grow our business in Amare. So guys, kumbaga kung backup at backup lang, foundation lang, napakalalim, napakatibay ng foundation natin. I want you to realize that. So, it's going to be very, very big in the future. Sobrang laki. I hope you're seeing the possibility ng kumpanya natin having a visionary owner, CEO David Chong, right? So ito po yung ating facility and we were privileged enough to be able to visit the facility. Guys, equipments pa lang, ang mahal-mahal na mga equipments natin. We're talking about in Philippine peso, billions of investment just to put up the facility to make sure na quality ang produkto po natin. No? So last July, ayan.
Natin natatrack kung nandito na sila sa building, kung kaya sila
Lalo na po sa mga bago natin, no? Just for you to see na it's real. Totoo ang facility, it's big. Diba? We were like touring the whole facility for like 2 hours. Grabe. And ito yung again yung mga bansa na meron tayong presence, guys, sobrang laki ng possibility. Okay, so yung meron pa tayong incentive aside from the bonuses, meron tayong incentive for those who wants to travel like me, you can really travel the world. 'Di ba? So amazing with VIP treatment, no? VIP treatment po yan and 5-star hotel accommodation. Okay? So ano pang hahanapin natin? You'll be healthier, you'll be happier, and you will be wealthy. Tama? Okay, so we are the only one in our category. We are at par excellence. As I mentioned earlier, we are the first and the only mental wellness company in the world. Wala tayong kagaya. We're very unique. Wala tayong competition, guys. So, again, maximize that, no? Capitalize on that. Guys, tayo lang ang meron nito. Okay, so in just 10 years, dito po sa photo na nakita nyo, both the cameraman and the pilot lost their jobs. Ganun ka-importante na nag-i-innovate ang isang kumpanya. Dati, pag nagsushoot ng mga movies, no, kailangan may cameraman pa may helicopter. Ngayon, kaya na siyang gawin ng ano. Ito, oh, iba, hindi na kailangan ng, nagko-control na lang ang ano, salino na rin ng mga camera right now. Hindi na kailangan. So, alam mo, napalitan na yung trabaho ng dalawang tao. Isa na lang nagko-control niyan. 'Di ba? Ganun po ka-importante ang innovation. So you have to upgrade yourself as well. No? So in terms of opportunity, upgrade your opportunity as well. 'Di ba? Napaka-importante niyan. So we are a disruptive technology, no? So disruptive industries, no? Alam na natin 'yan, yung binago niya talaga, no? Kagaya ng mga industry, mga companies na to, like Tesla, no? Pagdating sa automotive, Uber din, pagdating naman sa pagpo-provide ng service, Google, Airbnb. So marami pong binago at meron silang mga natalo pa, no, in the same industry. And same thing with us. Amari is a disruptive innovation in nutrition. We offer a different kind of wellness. Tama ba? Holistic approach in terms of wellness. So hindi tayo basta offer lang ng nutrition, no, na parang magsusupply ng nutrients sa katawan. We offer far more, no, than just supplying nutrients. Kasi you cannot be truly healthy without fixing your mental concerns, mental health struggles. Tama? Ang daming physically healthy, physically fit, pero may mental health struggles. Tama? So tayo, holistic yung approach natin. So it's different. Ibang-iba po yung sa atin. And why Team Elite? No? Again, as I've said earlier, we're very, very blessed. We're very lucky to have Team Elite because of the system, the roadmap that we have, the leadership trainings, team support, and the caliber of leaders that we have. Grabe yung roadmap natin. Grabe yung mga trainings po natin. Imagine we are being trained by international, alam mo yung top tier leaders. Hindi basta leaders lang eh. Ito yung mga laging guests, di ba? Ni Eric Worre. These are professional and they do the do, di ba? They walk the talk. Yun ang maganda sa kanila. Hindi sila yung nagtuturo lang ng hindi nila ginagawa. Tinuturo nila kung ano yung nagbigay ng success sa kanila. So we just have to follow yung mga sinasabi nila, no? And of course yung suporta that we are getting, I hope you're able to feel that with Team Elite, grabe yung mga trainings natin, tama? Grabe yung mga presentations natin, whether it be online or offline. So ito, you have to be part of this group page, no? Yung Team Elite po natin. And of course, we met our international leaders. Again, we're very blessed, guys. Not just with their support, but with the wisdom na ini-impart po nila sa atin. Of course, with Tita Josie as well, no, na ating international leader. Grabe rin yung suporta na nakukuha natin. Not all teams may ganyang klase ng suporta, guys. So tayo po, we are far blessed, far more blessed, no? That's dahil we have all the supports that we are getting from our international leaders and of course from our leaders here in the Philippines. Ayan, yung mga core leaders natin. All right, so why now? Bakit ngayon and bakit ikaw? Napaka-importante rin po na ma-identify natin yan at masagot natin yan. Why now? It's because ngayon nga, the wisest thing to do is never to depend on a single source of income. We have to diversify our income. Years ago, sinasabi niyan, and that's true. Even sa mag-asawa, dalawa na nagtatrabaho kasi nga hindi na kinakaya na isa lang ang nagtatrabaho, di ba? Kailangan talaga meron tayong additional source of income, diversify our income. And sabi na ng Forbes, which is already happening, matagal na siya nangyayari, millions of people are venturing into home-based business. Why? Right now, everything is being replaced. Not everything, but majority is being replaced by what? IT, ng mga robotics, machineries, 'di ba? If you've been to Glorieta, may coffee shop, wala namang tao, machine ang gumagawa ng coffee, ang payment ano na lang din QR, 'di ba? So ganyan nangyari yung mga toll natin. Dati mga tao pa pero ngayon may RFID ka na, 'di ba? Ang dami pong na-replace like Jollibee, no, yung nagde-deliver ng food, hindi na rin tao. Pag-order ka, pindot-pindot na lang. So ang daming nare-replace, guys. So in short, darating yung time, machineries na po ang gumagawa ng lahat. So yung mga trabaho ng karamihan sa mga tao, kaya na pong i-replace ng machineries. And that's the very reason why you really have to have a side hustle. Tama, kailangan na po natin yan kasi anything instantly can be replaced by machineries. Advanced na po ang IT, no, ang technology right now. Nakakatakot siya. If you do your own research, matatakot ka sa nangyayari right now. This is in fact in New York. Stop hiring humans. The era of AI employees is here. And that's happening already. Okay, why you? Why now? Because according to the survey of SSS, sa mga 60 to 65 years old na nag-retire, 30% of them are still dependent on charities. 45% of them dependent pa rin sa relatives. Alam mo yung cycle ng Pilipino na pag-aral na kayo naman ang bahala sa amin. 'Di ba? Ganun talaga yung nangyayari. We love our families pero sometimes, 'di ba? Kulang na nga yung kinikita pero kaya hindi makapagano para sa sarili ng family kasi they still have to support yung kanilang initial family, right? And 23% of them are still working. That's a sad reality. Only 2% are financially independent. So it's up to you. Anong bracket ba yung gusto mong mapuntahan? Kagaya kanina, anong bracket ba? Poor, middle class, di ba? Rich. So dito rin, ganun din. When you retire, anong bracket po ba yung gusto natin? I'm sure lahat tayo gusto natin maging part ng 2% who are financially independent. Para kahit lola ka na, no, mamita ka na, no, and granny and grandpa ka na, ikaw pa rin nagbibigay. Ang sarap nun, di ba? Para hindi, minsan kasi nag-aaway-away na magkakapatid, sa'yo naman si ma, sa'yo naman si pa, kasi nag-aaway na kami ng asawa ko, di ba ganun? So ngayon, pag marami kang pera, pati mga apo na bibigyan ng pera, o sa akin naman si pa, isang linggo na sa'yo yan eh, di ba? Pag-aagawan ka na, di ba? 'Di ba? Kidding aside, alam mo nangyayari talaga siya. Pinag-aawayan, tama po ba? So, that's just a reality right now. And eto, sabi nga dyan, how others see you isn't important, how you see yourself is more important. Because other people may say na parang, ay, hindi naman para sa iyo ang pagyaman or pag-unlad. Hindi, kung feel mo talaga at alam mo sarili mo na para sa iyo talaga yan. Just work on it because right now, you have found a mare, right? So, this is another reality, no? Push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. Ikaw lang po talaga. No one else can push you but yourself, no? So kahit kami push ka namin pero ikaw hindi mo push sa sarili mo, kailangan mong walang mangyayari. So if you have your dreams, which I hope you're able to identify, ikaw lang din talaga yan. Ang maganda lang, na-realize mo na ngayon, no, na you are in the best industry, you are in the best company, you are in the best team. So the only thing that you have to do right now is push yourself. 'Di ba? Always show up. That's very important. Always attend to trainings kahit ilang beses mo nang na-attendan yan. Yun yung difference po ng mga naging successful at mga hindi naging successful. Attend ng trainings, mas naging familiar sila sa sistema, mas naging familiar sila sa kung anong kailangan nilang gawin. Kaya mas alam nila yung paano nila ina-navigate yung business. 'Di ba? So now that you're here, be serious about it. Tama po? So isang beses naman tayo nagte-training sa isang linggo. So give your time, give yourself time, 'di ba? Para mas matutunan mo yung business lalo na kung bago ka lang dito. If there's one tip that I have learned from all the successful people in this industry, tatlo lang. Training, training, training. Talaga. Totoo naman, talaga mag-grow ka. No, not only your mindset, pero ang dami pong matutulungan, 'di ba? Magagamit mo talaga sa buhay yung mga natututunan natin. So again, you have to push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. Right? Saan ka nakakita ng nagpunta ka sa gym, sabi mo, coach, ikaw yung mag-workout, tapos ikaw yung lumaki yung katawan. Hindi mangyayari yon. Hindi ba gusto mo tuto maglangoy, coach, ikaw yung maglangoy, tapos ikaw yung gumaling maglangoy. Hindi po mangyayari yon. Same thing in our business. You have to do it para mas maging magaling ka, para mas makuha mo yung mga resulta na gusto mo. Tama, yun lang din po talaga yung kailangan natin gawin. So everything starts from mindset. Tama. Totoo yan, na napaka-powerful po ng mind natin. Kaya nga sabi, what your mind can conceive, your body will achieve. That's how powerful your mind is. So don't let small minds convince you that your dreams are too big. I really appreciate this quote. 'Di ba? So huwag kang maniwala sa mga limiting beliefs na yan. 'Di ba? Your dreams are big because it is God who put and give those dreams, 'di ba? Sa iyo. So kung binigay niya yan, meron siyang ibibigay na opportunity sa iyo. All you need to do is to work on that opportunity. And again, congratulations because nandito ka na sa Amare. Tama po ba? Again, you just have to work on yourself. Be better. So we need to have proper mindset. So kailangan alam mo, kailangan aware tayo. So we are in the helping people business. Dapat ito yung mindset natin whenever we're doing this business. We have the best products in the world and that's true. Di ba? Ang daming testimonial, amazing testimonials that we have proving that these products are clinically proven and effective. Tama. We have the best business in the world and that's true. I've shown you it. I've shown you that earlier. We can help people improve their lives, right? Naniniwala ba kayo doon? Totoo naman. Tama. We help people live better every day. Paniwalaan mo that you have the capacity to learn anything if you want to. 'Di ba? There are no failures in the business, only quitters. So, never quit. Okay? Wala talagang failure dito, yung mga nag-quit lang. But those who stayed and worked and better themselves, talaga naging successful po talaga. Matira mayaman, that's true. I have proven that over and over. No, knowing is not enough. You need to know how to teach it. So kailangan natututunan na i-immerse natin yung sarili natin, 'di ba? Talagang natututunan natin by heart para maituro natin, 'di ba? You need to learn your business. No one will learn it for you but yourself. Wala talaga. You have to be intentional, guys, no, in learning the business. There's no overnight success. Success requires time and effort. Baka 1 month ka pa lang dito, give up ka na kasi ano ba yan? Hindi pa ako successful. Hindi po ganoon. It takes time, it takes effort. Tama po ba? But let me tell you, this still is the fastest vehicle to get to your dreams. Kasi kung yung ginagawa mo is okay na, tama po ba? Hindi dapat nakuha mo na yung mga gusto mo. Especially if you're working. Kasi yun ang pinanggalingan ko eh. And that's the harsh reality na natutunan ko for the longest time. No? Sa ginagawa ko na para kahit pala masipag ka, matyaga ka, hindi enough. 'Di ba? Kailangan mo ng tamang vehicle kung saan mo ilalagay yung sipag at yung tiyaga na meron ka, 'di ba? And Amare of course is a part-time business for those who are doing it part-time, not a free-time business na kung kailan ka lang may free time. You have to make time for it. Kahit full-time ka, definitely have to make time for it, 'di ba? So napaka-importante po niyan. And of course, sabi nga diyan, you can only find the right person in your business if you become the right person. So baka naman gustong-gusto mo makakuha ng mga agil ang tinatawag na matitinding mga tao. Pero can you handle them? That's a question. So you really have to grow yourself every day. Kaya importante na nile-learn mo yung business mo, gina-grow mo yung mindset mo, yung skills mo. Ang maganda, natututunan lahat. Yun po yung maganda dito. 'Di ba? Hindi mo kailangan ng magic para lang mag-grow. You just have to do the business properly. 'Di ba? There are only two ways to do the business. Either you do it right or you do it wrong. Choose to do it right para hindi ka na uulit. 'Di ba? Para talagang dire-diretso yung paggawa mo ng business. Tama po? And the success of your business depends on you. 'Di ba? On you. Yun naman talaga. The success of my business depends on me. Hindi sa upline, hindi sa downline, sa sarili mo talaga siya. So, wala ditong sisihan. Tama po. Ang good news, may tumutulong sa atin. Bonus yun na may tumutulong sa atin. We have our uplines, our downlines, our crosslines, right? So, temporary sacrifices for permanent income versus permanent sacrifices for temporary income. So, what we're doing is temporary sacrifices for this business, pero it can provide passive and permanent income later on. Alright? So, pay now and play later versus play now or pay later. Yan yung mga mindset na kailangan meron tayo. Mag-enjoy ba ako ngayon and then later on, hala, kailangan ko na magtrabaho or trabahuin muna mga ngayon para later on, nag-enjoy ka na. Like Hawaii, next year. So trabahuin natin yan, itodo natin. Then next year, Hawaii tayo, doon na tayo magpahinga. Doon ka na magdrama, 'di ba? Doon ka na mag-emote. At least maganda yung background mo, Hawaii. 'Di ba? So ngayon, trabaho, trabaho, trabaho tayo hanggang January. Walang humpay, trabahuhin po natin. Nag-enjoy ka naman sa Hawaii. O 'di ba? Kesa naman, o hindi mo trinabaho, inggit na inggit ka naman pag nag-Hawaii na yung mga teammates natin. Nainggit ka na sa mga pictures, no? Dapat pala trinabaho ko. So, dapat trabahuhin natin ngayon. Pay now and then play later. Tama? Kunin muna natin yung mga goals natin. And then, of course, build your business for 5 years that will generate passive income permanently or work for 40 years that will generate active income temporarily. Kasi again, no work, no pay. So, dito, focus ka lang. 5 years, as in 100% focus, I guarantee you guys, if you grow yourself, your mindset, your skills, and you focus 5 years, napakalayo na po ng pwedeng marating. Marami na po nakapagpatunay niyan, 'di ba? So, you can do this. Dapat ganyan ang mindset. I can do this. I deserve to be healthy and wealthy. Yan ba yung iniisip natin? Dapat alam mo sa sarili mo, sinasabi mo, you deserve to be healthy, you deserve to be wealthy, you deserve good quality life, you deserve quality time with your family, you deserve to be successful in life. Sino dyan yung tingin nila deserve nila maging successful in life? Type 1 sa chat box natin. Puro 1, no? Type 1 if you think you deserve to be successful in life. Ayan. Dalawa lang ang deserve na maging successful in life. 'Di ba? I just wanted to know na nakikinig ka pa ha. Baka mamaya tinutulugan mo na ako. Ayan, number 1. Keep on coming, guys. Okay. And you have the ability to create the future that you want. 'Di ba? Totoo yan. You have the ability to create a future that you want. This is very powerful, guys. If you want to be successful, you need to have a positive mindset. You need to have a success mindset. Guys, you cannot have a positive result or a positive life with a negative mindset. That's very impossible. Whatever is happening to you is a direct result of your thinking and your mindset. Anong good news? Pwede mo pang baguhin. Kung tingin mo, ma-identify mo, assess mo, oh, medyo nagiging negative pala ako lagi sa ano, you have the chance right now na baguhin yon. Dalawa na nga lang pamimilian mo, negative, positive, negative ang pipiliin mo. Ang masaklap, hindi natin nare-realize sometimes na negative na pala tayo. Akala natin yun kasi nakasanayan na natin. Pero again guys, choose to be positive. Tama po ba? It will go a long, long way. Especially in this business. You have to choose to be positive all the time. Hindi po siya madali, pero kaya siyang mangyari. Napapractice din siya. So, simulan mo na. Okay, guys, tsaka na sa mental wellness company tayo. Baka sabihin sa hindi ka ba uminom ng product? Lagi ka negative, lagi kang nakabusangot, lagi kang galit, di ba? So, kailangan makita sa atin na tayo nagtitake ng products, di ba? We are the happiest and the healthiest family on earth. Tama? Because we are the only mental wellness company in the world. We have the products na kayang gawin yun. So, inumin mo yung products mo. Okay? So, I hope this sinks in, no, na we have to have a positive mindset, no? If you want to have a positive result. You cannot have positive result with a negative mindset. That's very impossible. Okay. So everything that we're doing here is, of course, for your hopes and your dreams. That's why we collaborate with each other. That's why we work together as a team. Dahil lahat tayo, meron tayong mga pangarap. And together with this community, with the team that we have, with the opportunity of Amare, with this industry, kayang-kaya po talagang makuha. Okay? Now, I'd like to share with you sobrang laki ng impact nitong clip ng movie sa akin and later pag-usapan natin. So watch this video.
Date.
2 hours.
It's always been an hour.
Well, now it's 2.
Ay para maintindihan niyo pala yung context niyan, no? This is like in the future na yung currency nila is yung time ng buhay nila na nakikita sa dito sa parte na to. So lahat ng binibili nila, lahat ng expenditures nila sa time ng buhay nila. Nandun yun yung buhay nila. So lahat ng pinagtatrabaho nila, parang yun yung payment. Ay yun na rin yung ginagamit nilang parang currency nila. Para mas maintindihan niyo yung context ng video. Sige. Ay, sorry. Ulitin natin.
Date.
2 hours.
It's always been an hour.
Well, now it's 2. Price went up.
Since when?
Since today.
My son is meeting me. He'll pay the difference.
Can't do that. Policy.
Please. It's a 2-hour walk. I have an hour and a half.
better run.
Yes.
Grabe no, ang lungkot. 'Di ba? But somehow it's a reminder, guys. So ito ang laki din ng impact sa akin nun eh. Ang laki ng impact kasi parang again, going back to the question, para kanino ka bumabangon? What are the reasons kung bakit patuloy tayong lumalaban sa buhay? And most of the time, it's really about our families, 'di ba? It may be for your parents, for your children, tama po ba? And sometimes, 'di ba, we take for granted yung time na meron tayo during yung time na kalakasan pa natin para gawin pa natin siya, 'di ba? So, what's the point of all this? Ano ba talaga yung gusto nating ipahiwatig, 'di ba? Sabi nga dito, ayan, don't always say there's still time. Kasi sometimes bukas na lang, next ano ko na lang trabahuhin, sa ano na lang, may time pa naman, 'di ba? Don't always say there's still time because there's always a concept of it's too late. So if you're doing this for your parents, mas maganda, magawa mo na. If you want them to travel, kailan pa? Pag di na nila kaya maglakad, paghirap na sila. So do this right now para habang malakas-lakas pa sila, di ba, ma-enjoy pa nila talaga yung travel. Tama ba? If you're doing this for your children, para pag nag-aral na sila, you can send them to good schools. Tama po ba? If you're doing this for yourself, para mas ma-enjoy mo talaga yung buhay. Di ba? You want to travel habang malakas ka pa. Hindi kung kailan mahina ka na, 'di ba, saka ka magta-travel. So again, sobrang importante po ng time. Napaka-importante talaga in everything that we're doing right now. So we're very blessed to have met this amazing opportunity dahil nga we can achieve yung mga gusto natin in a lesser period of time compared sa pagtatrabahuhan natin siya ng sobrang tagal. Tama po ba? So I hope we're able to understand ano yung power, not only the industry that we have, pero ano yung klaseng opportunity na meron tayo here with Amare, wherein you get to be healthier, that's very important. You get to be happier, you get to be wealthier. Tama po ba? And this is a blessing. Tama, blessing po talaga ito. Siguro as a parting word, 'di ba? Sabi nga po diyan, this is my favorite verse, no, ever since. Sabi nga sa Jeremiah 29:11, for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. That's His plan for us. 'Di ba? So, let's be reminded that there's a giver of the blessing. Tama po ba? May giver tayo ng blessing. So, kailangan ipag-pray natin yan, pero yun na yung plan ni Lord sa atin to prosper us and not to harm us. 'Di ba? Minsan pag hindi umaayon sa gusto natin yung mga nangyayari, alam mo ang mindset ko lang diyan parang it's a character building day. Yun din yung natutunan ko. Oo nga, no, it's character building day. Hindi dahil hindi niya gusto. No, sometimes dinedelay lang. A no is not a no talaga. It may be a delayed answer, no? Na ayaw niyang mapahamak tayo. Pero with this opportunity, siya na rin yung nagbigay nito sa atin. Naniniwala ka ba doon? Ako, this is an answered prayer for me. Tama po. And I hope it's going to be an answered prayer for you as well. But again, it's going to be your decision kasi binigay na niya 'di ba? Andito na tayo So there's a reason why we're here. Not only to prosper our lives, but of course to be channel of blessing for other people. Tama. So with everything that we have in Amare, guys, and with the team that we have, with the timing that we have right now, guys, sobrang laki po talaga ng naghihintay para sa ating lahat. So just hold on to those dreams, no? Just hold on to those hopes and aspirations na meron ka. Continue working on yourself, continue to better yourself in terms of mindset, in terms of skills. That's very important. And to continue to collaborate with this team. And I can guarantee you that in the next coming few years, you'll have a different life. Tama? So thank you so much for joining us tonight. I hope I was able to share something of value to you. So back to our amazing host, Ate Jabel.
Wow! What an incredible session! Grabe naman nun, Sir Lee. May pa-realization na nako naman tagos sa bones talaga. Ika nga, transformational. And may pa-mindsetting pa. Grabe ano. Guys, paulanan naman natin ng puso. Si Kuya Lee. Come on. Heart emojis, guys. Come on, keep the hearts coming. More hearts, guys. Yes, or clap. Yes, grabe. A huge thank you to Mr. Lee Omania, our gold leader and soon to be platinum and trainer ng Team Elite. Thank you, Sir Lee, for sharing your powerful insights tonight. Your wisdom on uncovering our why and understanding its impact on our journey has truly inspired us all. And you reminded us that the strength of our business lies in the strength of our purpose. So, guys, as we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect on today's key takeaways. So, your why, our why is our driving force. It's what fuels your passion, keeps you focused, and powers you through challenges. Purpose leads to persistence. So when we align our actions with our why, nothing's gonna stop us now. Oh, napakanta pa ako, grabe. Our success is built on clarity and belief, no? The clearer you are on your why, the stronger your belief in what you do becomes. So stay connected to your why, guys. Own it, nurture it, and let it guide you as you continue this journey. And sabi nga ni Kuya Lee kanina, training. So, thank you again to Mr. Lee for the Omania for this wisdom, no? And thank you to each and every one of you for showing up ready to level up. So everyone, you are truly unstoppable. This has been your host, J Beth, saying keep rising, keep thriving, and keep believing because the best is yet to come. So if you feel better, you can do more. Let's go out, guys, and make it happen. Make it happen. Good night, everyone. See you all at the top. God bless. Bye-bye. Thank you, guys. God bless you. Thank you, Sir Lee. Tita Josie.